Okay, everybody, so what we have here are a couple of balloons tied onto here. Go ahead and back up and take a look at these. I've got a meter stick here. So just checking this. Whoops. The point of connection is about, let's say, 65 centimeters from this point down to here. Let's say that's plus or minus 1 centimeter. I was just kind of eyeballing it. Now these balloons, I blew them up the other day and then let them sit for a couple of days. So this is how I measured the circumference. It's not technical at all. Whatever, we got to get this done, right? So this length, Angus, you want to just bring it over here? It's still pretty good. They're about 64 centimeters, okay? So that's the circumference, 64 centimeters. Got it? 64. All right, and let's say, again, plus or minus 1. I don't know if I was right on there. Probably plus or minus 2 centimeters. So now, if you're wanting to speed up the video at this point, I'm going to rub these balloons with fur. You might double speed the video until I'm done with that. So I'm going to try and cover every side of the balloon with the same amount of 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Just trying to get some static charge on here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And we'll go. Because these aren't a conductor, I have to charge both sides. Okay, those are definitely charged up. And so what we're going to do is let these kind of come to equilibrium. And the idea is, obviously, I didn't do a perfect job getting exactly the same charge on each balloon, but hopefully they're approximately the same. And what I'm hoping is you could use the information that we see in here. Once this comes to equilibrium, we're going to measure they're kind of forming an equilateral triangle. Angus, can you try to get an underneath view?
Yeah.
The idea here is they form an equilateral triangle. It's pretty close. And so you could estimate the size right there. Now I'm going to try to bring a meter stick in here and I'll read off the measurement because of the weird lighting. But they're probably going to be polarized and attracted to this meter stick and screw up the triangle. So remember, you know the circumference, you can estimate it. If not, I'm kind of eyeballing it here. Yeah, it's tricky. Yeah, it's screwing it up. Let me let it try to stabilize. I'm just going to kind of eyeball it. So we're going to have a huge error on this measurement. I'd say it's about 30 centimeters on a side. 30 centimeters approximately. And you could confirm that by looking at the circumference and calculating the radius and blah, blah, blah. Anyways, figure that out. And hopefully you could use this information to estimate the charge on each balloon. Got it?